Hey friends, if 7-zip is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So simply search for 7-zip in the Windows search bar, and now here's what you'll have to do. Click on uninstall because there's nothing else that you can do about it. Okay, click on these three dots here, uninstall it, uninstall it, uninstall it completely. Click on close. Now open your browser, search for 7-zip. Okay, then go to its download page, click on download here, click on open, wait for a few seconds to open the installer, install it and then close it. This will solve your problem. It does not have any repair or reset button, so the only solution is to reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.